In this video, I will be showing you how you can set up live wallpapers like this in Windows 11 or any version of Windows. So, let's get started. Firstly, open your Microsoft Store and type Lively Wallpaper. And during the video, I will also tell you that how you can set up custom wallpapers and how you can customize your taskbar. So, stay tuned. Now click on Install. Now click on Open. Now click on Next. And there are multiple options to customize the taskbar. You can select any of these. Now click on OK. And the software will open. Now here you can see multiple live wallpapers. You can click on the wallpaper you like. Now as you can see, we have got a wonderful view of the sunset. And you can also customize the wallpaper, and according to your needs, you can customize it. And to set up custom wallpapers, click on the plus icon here, and now, if you have downloaded the file, you can click on the browse option here, or you can also paste the link of that video here. For example, if I paste the link of this video, I will be able to set this video as my wallpaper. When you will paste the link, a small window will appear. Here you can give your video its title and description. And then click OK. And now as you can see, that video has become my wallpaper. And the quality of the video is also good. And if you again want to customize your taskbar, just go to Settings, then System, and here again, you will get all those options. And in the software, there is a wallpaper which is my favorite. And this wallpaper will follow your cursor. So, that's all I got for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, because it will take just a second for you to subscribe, but it will help me a lot.